Fantastic.
Hakim!
Oh,
What are you doing? This is not a relaxation cruise. We got work to do.
you're right. I'm right there.
Bring your drink with you.
Coming.
Hey.
All right.
So today, I'm gonna make my dad's competition thigh recipe.
Ooh, okay.
So my dad and I actually compete on a team together. He used to compete when he lived in South Carolina and got really into like KCBS and all that stuff. So this recipe is actually really popular on my website. It's called Kick-Ass Chicken Thighs.
Okay.
I think the misconception for a lot of people is that for like a traditional barbecue chicken that you put sauce on it and then put it on the grill.
Yep.
But most people don't realize that barbecue sauce is full of sugar, so you don't want to put that on at the beginning because it's going to burn.
It's a big no-no.
Exactly. So we're going to smoke these in just the rub, and then we'll do a layer of barbecue sauce right as we go in for the sear at the end.
Delicious. I
Yeah.
taste it already. Okay, so it's been what, 45, 50 minutes?
Yep.
Applewood smoke?
Yep, smoking for 45 minutes.
Yep.
And now it's time for a little sear in action. So let's check on these babies.
Ooh, look at that color. Look
That's
at that.
gorgeous.
That's beautiful.
That's some gorgeous chicken thighs.
Yes, that is great.
Now we're gonna
Look at
flip these
that.
over because I'm all about getting those gorgeous cross hatches.
Yes. Filled the whole grill with chicken thighs and not one flare up. You can't do that without GrillGrate.
Totally. Let's let
Yeah.
these do their thing, and then we're gonna add our glaze. We're really just going in for those perfect char marks.
Yep.
And then we'll be ready for chicken thigh perfection. That is gorgeous. I know it sounds crazy how excited I get about nice char marks, but I
No.
really do.
I know.
If you
I
could
know.
ever call
I
chicken
know, you
sexy,
get so
I'd say this is
emotional.
pretty.
I
I
know.
get so
A single tear just
emotional,
rolled down your
baby.
cheek, and I believe it.
Every time I think of you.
So what's this sauce we're gonna be glazing them with?
All right, so I just got a lower sugar barbecue sauce because I really
Okay.
want to focus on the smokiness.
Beautiful.
So really we're just going in for that kiss of barbecue sauce.
Yes, a little
It's a
smooch.
finishing glaze.
Okay.
You know, we do it at the end because we don't want it to burn.
Right.